So ayan mga Katutski, we go to the morning spin na naman with PCC, Porta Down Cycling Club. So ayan, good morning everyone. So our destination now going to Dunganon. Basta, Dunganon tayo ngayon. Paikot na naman. Back to Porta Down. So ayan mga Katutski, again good morning and ride safe everyone. Bye bye. So ayan mga Katutski, good morning again. So stop over muna tayo, continue. Bili muna tayo ng hot chocolate kasi 9 pa yung kita namin doon, saka 8 pa lang. So mga 8:30 alis tayo dito. Again, good morning everyone. So si take natin masyadong madumi. So again, ride safe everyone and morning spin tayo, Sunday morning spin mga Katutski. Say bye bye. So ito na nga yung sinasabi, no, nauulan. Ayan, umulan muna. So maya maya na tayo umalis mga Katutski. Paintuin muna natin. Hindi naman masyadong kalakasan, kunti-kunti lang, pero makakabasa na din. Ayan. Ayan. So we are now at Dunganon mga Katutski. Arrive at Dunganon. So grand house, you know. Sulit. Habi. You know. So ayan, mamaya na naman. Kapi tayo muna. Hey, bye. Ayan, jump up na kami. Ito yung mga bike nila, Giant, Dogman, Pranello, and Trick. And this is mine, Trick. Also. Ayan. So we jump up now. We're going back to Lorgan, but we're still in Dunganon. So we have a few miles. And Ian said yesterday that we just only steady ride. It's a normal ride, but huwag ka talaga tayo maniwala sa budol, no? May budol talaga, pati dito din sa Northern Ireland may budol. So steady ride, then you just running for 30 kilometers per hour. It's not a steady ride. Yan, nabudol na naman si Tutski. Hey, bye.
Top Milo.
Up here at the high point. Well, you can take it up there.
So lovely.
You go around the right. You can see the bell. You can see Antrim Airport. You know, the go and
You want to
see
behind
the
us?
top of. You can see the top of the Northern Ireland. This, maybe going to Lorgan. Oh.
Hang on.
Because my fingerprint doesn't work.
Alright. Well, I'll have
Ito yung dati mga